So your burner's not lighting. Typically that's going to be a PTFI or pilot trial for ignition flame fail. There are a few things that you can do to troubleshoot that on your own. Typically it's going to be a problem with the igniter. May just need to be replaced. Maybe it has gotten bumped, it's out of position. Maybe the ignition cable has come loose. The other typical problem that we find is the combustion air pressure. If the combustion air pressure is too high during the pilot trial for ignition period, it'll just blow the pilot out. So we need to make sure that the combustion air damper is in the correct place, and maybe it's come loose from the actuator. Maybe the actuator's failed and it's not really doing what it's supposed to do. But you want to become familiar when the system is operating normally where these things are. What is your gas pressure coming in? What's your pilot gas pressure? All the regulators can fail. So you want to make sure all of the manual valves are open. If possible, when you're trying to light the pilot and it's not cooperating with you, look through the sight glass on the burner to make sure that that you're not really getting a flame and just not seeing it with the scanner. Scanners go bad. So we want to make sure that the scanner's working. Easy way to do that is to pull it off and put a flame in front of it. You can use a lighter or a torch or whatever you have. It doesn't have to be on. You'll still see that listed on the BMS display as in the upper right hand corner. It'll show you the flame signal strength. So that's an important thing to check. But normally it's going to be one of those things for the PTFI flame fail problems. If you have further problems than that, please don't hesitate to call us and we'll give you a hand.